Nice traffic light. Check that out. It's red and green at the same time. And I gotta go straight through this intersection driving a 350Z. Not too smart. We've got another messed up traffic light up ahead here. This one's just completely out. I guess they lost power over here. The rest of the town seems to be pretty well with power. That's all flooded over there on the right. Whoa! We get a little bit more over to the left here. Water's over the threshold of the door. This is Pace Boulevard, Pensacola, just south of Fairfield. Water's over the almost over half of the fire hydrant. Up at the third traffic light up ahead there, that's Palafox, and that'll take us straight to downtown Pensacola. So we're going to make a right-hand turn and see what's going on down there. Straight up ahead, I'm seeing a lot of backup lights. It looks like there's a flood up there. Or maybe something's happening. Oh, we are flooded over here to the left. The northbound section of Palafox is flooded. Well, I'm gonna go straight through. I don't care if that guy's backing up, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna try to anyway. I don't know what we're gonna see up there. Maybe nothing. Maybe something. Holy. Wow. I don't know if these guys know what they're doing. But I just saw a van rush through there without any problem. I think I could probably get through that. And here it is. Looking pretty deep. Yeah, it's pretty deep, alright. I think I can make it through this one. And I'm in an even lower car than that idiot was that was backing up in front of me. Water's almost up to the threshold of the door. Belts are slipping. Serpentine belt was squealing like crazy. Continuing on our way down Palafox. Traffic light out on Main Street, Palafox, downtown Pensacola. Florida law is to stop when you come to a traffic light that's dark. Taking a little spin out to Palafox Pier. That's what they call it. It's really just a landfill where they allow ships and boats and stuff to dock up to. So I guess it's a pier in that respect, but it's actually not a pier like a built structure. When we get over here on the pier, we'll get a good look at the Pensacola Scambia Bay. Let's see what we got going on over here. Bet you the water is not really waving around. It's kind of flat, probably from being beaten by the rain. Yeah, I think my guess was accurate. Water out there looks pretty damn flat. No waves whatsoever. No waves in there either. See, when I came through here after Hurricane Dennis, these waves in here were absolutely amazing, and the railings are all knocked out from having been beaten with the waves, and this parking lot was flooded with salt water. Downtown Pensacola here on a northbound Palafox. This is Garden Street here that's going crossways, and you see how the road is crowned. It's serving as a dam to keep the water on the other side, the north side of Garden Street. And I don't think it was designed to be that way, but it's kind of clever that that's what it does. Because as soon as we get over here on the northbound side and go back down the crest, splash, we're back into the water again. Alright, we're clear.